10th class student, exercise 12.3, areas related to circles. Question number 8. Question number 8 is racing track. Middle part is rectangle. Both end is semicircle. Which length 60 meter and 106 meter. L is equal to 106 meter, B is equal to 60 meter. First part, we find the distance around the track, the inner edge. We find the inner mean, this part, length of one round. You can say the one round of the inner part. Inner part 106 is rectangle side length. 60 not be used. At first find the parameter or circumference semicircle. Diameter of semicircle will be breadth of rectangle part is equal to 60 meter, or radius will be 60 upon 2 divided by 2 is 30. Radius is 30 meter. Both semicircle are same. First part is distance around the track. Around the track along its inner edge. Will be 2 into L plus 2 into 1 by 2 into 2 pi r is circumference of the semicircle. These are two semicircles. Put the value 2 into L value is 106 meter plus 2 divided by 2, 2 into 22 upon 7, R value is 30. After multiply 212 plus 1320 upon 7 upon 1, LCM is 7 plus 13, 20, 12, 7 is 84 and 7 to the 14. After plus 4, 0 and 20. Meter is distance around the inner part. Second part, track wide of track is 10 meter. That is figure 1. We find the area of dotted park, or you can say the track. Area of track, we find the capital small r is 30 meter. Outer radius will be 30 plus 10. 10 meter is wide of the track is equal to 40 meter. Area of track is equal to 2 into length is 106 into track wide is 10. Both part, this part and this part area multiply by 2. 2 semicircle, 2 into 1 by 2 pi capital R square minus small r. After multiply 12, 1, 2, 0, 2 divided by 2, pi value is 22 upon 7 into capital R value is 70, not 70 is 40. 40 minus small r is 30. 12 0 plus 27 into 40 plus 30 and 40 minus 30. 2 0 plus 22/7 into after plus 70 minus is 10. 10 plus 2200 after plus 20 3 or 4 meter square is area of track. Question number 8 is complete. Question number 9. Question number 9 is a circle O is center, ACB is 90, D and triangle ACB dotted shaded part is circle and rest part of the semicircle. We find the OA is equal to 7 semi. When OA is equal to 7, OC is 7 and OB is 7 and OD is 7. All radius of circle. Question number 9 is radius of circle OA is equal to 7 semi. Area of semicircle 1/2 pi r square is formula 1/2 22/7 into 7 square 1/2 into 22/7 7 into 7 divide by 11 7 by 7 77 semi square is area of semicircle ABC. In triangle ABC, area of triangle is equal to 1/2 base is will be diameter AB into height is OC. Now put the value 1/2 into AB will be 7 plus 7 is 14. OC is 7. Two 7 7 7 is 49. 49 Semi-square is area of triangle. Diameter of, now the area we find the shaded circle. Diameter of circle, shaded circle, is OD is 7, OD equals 7 cm. Then radius will be 7/2 semi. Area of circle is equal to pi r square is formula. Pi value 22/7. R value is 7/2. 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2. 2 divided by 22 is 11. 7 divided by 1. 11 7 ja 77/2. Divide after 38.5 semi-square area of shaded circle area. We find the area of shaded part. It will be 38.5 is clear plus 77 minus triangle area is 49. Triangle will be minus of the semicircle. 38.5 plus after minus is 8 is 20. After plus 0.56 66 point semi-square is area of shaded portion. Question number 9 is complete. Question number 10. 10 is equilateral triangle. ABC is equilateral triangle. Three circles are draw by as a center ABC. Could be figure. Question number 10 is area of equilateral triangle are given. Area of equilateral triangle ABC is equal to 1732 semi square. In given question, area of equilateral triangle formula is under root 3 upon 4. We find the area of shaded part. This part, note area of triangle minus area of 3 equal part of the circle. Under root 3 into side square is formula of equilateral triangle. 17320.5 side square is equal to 17320.5 into 4 upon under root 3. Under root 3 value is given in question. 17320.5 into 4 upon under root 3 value is 1.73205. Remove the decimal, divide by same by is 1. That value is side of equilateral triangle. Side is equal to will be under root 40,000. After under root is 207. Side of equilateral triangle we find the 207. 207 AB, diameter of side, radius will be radius of circle is equal to side upon 2 is equal to 200 upon 2 is equal to 107. Is radius of circle, area of all part, circular part, 3 equal part, theta will be 60 equilateral triangle. Each angle will be 60 degree angle. Decide the equilateral triangle. Theta upon 360 pi r square is formula 3 equal sector 3 into theta value is 60 degree upon 360, pi value is 3.14, r value is 100. Divide by 2, 1/2 3.14 into 100 into 100. After divide is 50. After multiply 0. Semi-square is area of circular part. All circular part, this area and this and this. Area of shaded part, to find area of equilateral triangle minus area of circular part. Area of equilateral triangle is 17320.5 minus 15700. After minus 0.502 6 15 is 1. Semi-square is area of shaded part. Thank you.